A huge explosion has rocked a chemical plant in China's east, killing at least 3 people. The blast happened at a factory which manufactures pesticides as well as chemicals for medical use. The explosion was so powerful it smashed windows more than 3 kilometres away. More than 500 employees work at the chemical plant.
山东高密化工厂爆炸现场升起了巨大的蘑菇云，附近居民家里的玻璃全炸了，隔着几公里都能闻到刺鼻的气味。